Yo. In this video, we're going to compare the free and paid plans of Omnisend and Mailchimp and see which platform offers a more robust omnichannel solution. Nothing better than sticking to a single platform for all your marketing needs instead of having 20 tabs open at the same time, right? Well then, let's talk native channel variety. Free plan in Mailchimp will get you as far as emails, period. While Omnisend offers email, SMS and MMS and push notifications even on a free plan. Of course, if you're willing to invest your monies, the story is slightly different on Mailchimp's side. With the lowest tier Essentials plan, you would be able to use SMS. Nice. Although MMS is reserved for higher tiered paid plans only. Yikes. On top of that, Mailchimp doesn't offer push notifications natively, even on paid plans. For that to work, you would need to get a third-party plugin. But paid Mailchimp plans offer something unique: webhooks. You can add these to your automations to control external services, like sending WhatsApp messages with third-party tools, or maybe an in-house solution if you're a techie. But if webhooks, JSON payloads, headers, keys, and values sound like technical jargon, this might be more of a challenge than a convenience. With Omnisend's paid plan, you continue to enjoy email, SMS, MMS, and push notifications natively, just like the free plan. Now let's talk about integrating your omnichannel strategy in automations. Free plan in Mailchimp won't get you too far because, well, automations or journeys in Mailchimp are considered a paid feature. You can preview and edit your journeys, but you cannot enable them without whipping out your wallet. Regardless of that fact, you can add email and SMS messages to your automations, plus webhooks, which with a relatively large splash of creativity, time, and technical know-how could eventually become nearly anything. Regarding pre-built journeys, Mailchimp makes it easy to filter different channels so you can start setting up your journeys quickly and easily. Although it's worth mentioning that Mailchimp's pre-built journeys focus more on the journey's structure, leaving you to figure out the messaging content on your own. Omnisend on a free plan offers the aforementioned email, SMS, and MMS channels plus push notifications and automations. Same as on the paid plan. Everyone's equal in Omnisend, regardless of the size of their wallet. Oh, not to mention that not only can you view and edit your automations, but you can actually enable them. Yes, even on a free plan. As for the pre-built automations, Omnisend also offers filtering by channel, but you can also combine both email and SMS channels in the same flow, like welcome series, for example. On top of that, if you're in a rush, you don't even have to worry about the content of the messages as they come pre-filled with a default message. So you can get your automation started in minutes, maybe even seconds. And the conclusion really comes down to the focus of either of these platforms. It's quite obvious from the previous videos, which we did in the series, that Mailchimp positions itself as a tool for empowering small businesses of any kind to grow and succeed through effective marketing strategies. Businesses of nearly any kind, however. Their product offering is much more varied and less focused on a single interest that you as a customer might have. On top of that, more features mean more pay gating. If you're looking for a specific feature that is quite popular or even essential, as would be the case with journeys, you will have to whip this bad boy out. Omnisend, on the other hand, is primarily e-commerce focused with features tailored for that specific industry. Setting up order confirmations is made easy with fully pre-built automations that take care of the message content as well. On top of that, taking advantage of different messaging channels like email, SMS, and push notifications, your e-commerce store visitors surely won't miss a beat. Nearly all of the features on a paid plan are available on a free plan as well, indefinitely, and it's not a trial period. You can use Omnisend for free for as long as you want to. But I yapped enough. If you want a quick version of what I just talked about, here are a couple of tables that might be of use to you. Feel free to pause the video to dig in further. Thanks for watching, and now, choose wisely.